First flight airport, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, departing runway 21. We're making a right turn over to the east. First flight. Clear left, clear right. All right, here we go. The green. Airspeed's alive. 60, 70, 80, 90. We're off.
Nice.
Looking good down there. Come on your 3 o'clock.
First flight airport, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, making a right turn off runway 21 to the shoreline. First flight, we're at 800 feet.
Hey Dan, look up to your right.
I see that.
How about that? Glad I wasn't a little higher.
Yeah, right.
Spaceflight traffic, Walker 06 Victor is climbing up to 1,000 and then we'll overfly the field, then we'll head southwest bound to Dare County first flight.
At first flight traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec is about 3 miles to the north, northbound along the shoreline at 800 feet. First flight. All right, good? You don't talk much.
Taking in the,
What's that?
taking in the scenes.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So you got to tell us about your t-shirt there.
My t-shirt was made to commemorate Jen's first flight in Twin. Not Jen, Effie's been there before, but it was Jen's first flight.
Cool. Nice little selfie photo on there.
My grand doggy. Interesting to note that Jen is smiling.
Right? The good thing is she can't hear us right now, but when she sees us later, I'm sure we're both going to hear about that. Well, we got the Outer Banks here on the left again. Just passing, coming up on Duck here. And Outer Banks traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec is northbound along Outer Banks shoreline, just coming up on the pier at 800 feet. Outer Banks.
First flight traffic, Skylane is 2 mile right downwind for 21. We'll cross over the beach, then turn southbound. We're at 800.
So this is how many? Is this your second time in a small plane?
Yes.
How do you like it?
Good.
We're only going 160 miles an hour right now. A little bit more than that, 165.
Cool to see the perspective of the Outer Banks from this area.
Yeah.
How narrow it gets down there.
Yeah, like really slim, right? Almost for right where almost we are.
Almost like that. Get a house right on each end. One side of the...
Outer Banks traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec is flying north along the shoreline at 700 feet. We're just about a mile south of Pine Island, northbound, Outer Banks. I think this is like the end of our row of houses right here. I feel like that's the case. I'm not 100% sure, but...
I'm on the deck.
Because I got the shot of these kind of islands last night with the drone, or in this swamp marsh area. We're still cruising at like 165 miles an hour, Buyer.
Been pulling one of them signs. Hi, Mom.
Oh, there's the Harris Teeter grocery store. Oh, coming right behind the wing right now.
Really?
See it? The white top building?
Huh? Not too many cars here.
Fairly
time.
moderate.
Good time to go in.
There's that marketplace at Duck with a Food Lion. And that means we should have the lighthouse coming up here in a bit. I think it's just up here. Yeah, they see the red brick thing right there? Just there's a water tower that's blue, and then the kind of red brick column. It's hard to see, it's pretty dark. And Outer Banks traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec is north along the shoreline, just about at the Corolla Lighthouse, Outer Banks. A little sprinkle of rain here. Hasn't stopped people on the beach though. And we'll start our left turn back to Currituck County Airport. Awesome. Take a picture. Jen just saw some horses on the wildlife preserve. Yeah. All right, I'll get the weather at Dane County or Currituck County.
Currituck County Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2040 Zulu weather wind 230 at 6 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 27 Celsius dew point 25 altimeter 3006 remark density altitude 1,300.
Currituck County traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec is 6 miles to the east. Will be inbound for landing runway 23, Currituck County. So you see that patch right there, that open green patch? That's the airport. Currituck County traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec on extended left base runway 23, Currituck County. Alright, gas is on the mains, fuel pump's on, undercarriage coming down in a second here, make sure set, prop set, seatbelt's on, we're good. Alright, let's throw the gear in transition, first notch of flaps. 1, 2, 3 greens. Clear right, clear left. And Currituck County traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, turning left, final runway 23, Currituck County. 3 greens. On slope. Currituck County traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, 1 mile final, runway 23, Currituck County. Go ahead, you can unlatch it. Big birds on the runway here. Clear them off. Move it, Goose. They're not concerned at all, huh? Currituck County traffic, Twin Cessna 466, Quebec, clear all runways, Currituck County. Alright, so how was it, Bill?
Good time.
Good time. Flew into first flight where flight was started. Amazing. Very unique experience. So I hope you enjoyed joining the flight with us today. If you like this channel, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And also you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Princess Effie in the back too, and my wife Jen, and guest starring Bill today. So until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks.